Water should never be coming out. Got it. Okay.
But if you guys are in a pinch and you really want to use it, you can crack that off.
Okay.
The water will just drain out right here as opposed to
the dishwasher,
breaching all the other stuff.
Yeah. I wish I had known that before.
That's why I'm here.
Yeah. That was so scary.
Looks like there's like a screw or something in here.
Oh, weird.
Come over here, I'll show you. Like an old piece of metal. That could be what the issue is too.
Wow. So weird.
Okay, that'll be attached to it too. So you guys can see that and the footage of where it's at from here.
Okay, cool.
That's that Y I was telling you about. The lav line drops into that, just like that.
Yes.
God, there's just so much grease in here. Pretty gross, I know.
Yeah, it's funky.
Animal fats will do this, though.
Yeah.
It's never a vegetable-based glycerin.
Right. Yeah, we mostly use olive oil, but we eat a lot of meat, so.
Yeah, I want you guys to be able to rest your heads easy and at night and not have to worry about turning the dishwasher on at night and going to bed and then it just backing up when you guys are asleep.
Right, yeah.
Because that's when stuff likes to happen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just haven't been using the dishwasher recently because I've been so freaked out. I just hand wash everything.
There is a ton of it.
So obviously the cast iron is just a time bomb, but there are no visible cracks or anything at the moment. Okay, that's good.